ass fooskies out here right now. Don't talk about my yoke, fool. The yoke is out right now. I'm working on it. Hopefully the burnout pit's not closed, man. I wanna see this fool swinging. This fool been itching. I heard those fools. Crazy ass food. Oh, there's a line. Damn. Oh shit! This fool about to connect the Baja lights. Turn them on in the pit. Ni que fuera lifter, mijo. Look, that shit got the Cali lean right now. It's like, man. I know y'all hear that. This is going crazy over there. Then we got all of my whiskeys. My whiskeys over there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at these little ass boots compared to the front. No manches. And on the fucking, the Louis. Oh, Burberry, Louis. Pensa, no tengo dinero, homie. Burberry. The Burberry. Oh, y'all see that? Amazing. Huh? Those are your driving shoes? Your driving tennis? Every time you come here, it's just tradition? Yeah, it's cool. It's cool carrying all them tools. It's so messy here, bro. And this one about to go crazy over there, fool. You about to get smacked by all the tools in there. If you know, you know, bro. This shit turns off and on. Bluetooth. Might in the pit. Hopefully not. I'm gonna have to push that shit out. Sick ass rollback. Rollback in the automatic. Here we have a Taquachi in its natural habitat. Shit. Bruh, this was still wearing them when he got the work boots inside. No matches. This one told me I got waters in the back. Oh my man. Give me like water like that. This one got the agua. Yeah, fool. I'm thirsty. Look at this. This one got the low profile jack. Here you go. Here you go, doctor right there. No matches. That shit's heavy, huh? That's just fucking heavy, fool. I have one just like it, but it's blue. This one looks so much better. It looks so majestic. Look at that one. That one's been through. That one's been through it, fool. That little Pittsburgh. That shit put in work. Just in case. Yeah, fool. Just in case we get stuck in the pit. Oh my gosh. That little jack's been through so much, bro. It's literally running on the fucking top part. It doesn't even have the full pole. Man. That jack's flown, bro. It's in the clouds. That shit been buried. Hell yeah, fool. About to fly out. Hit someone. I think they'll make you take that shit out, no? Oh, my. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ah, you wait. Ah. Fucking wiener. About to get kicked out of here. I'm gonna be like, yeah, it was him. It was him, officer. Ossifer. Yeah, this fool. How does it feel for you about to hit the pit? It's been a while, bro, since it was lowered. Back when it was lowered, this was a sick ass towing tool. All these fools ain't got nothing on this little V6. About to have everybody coming after you, bro. Those fools going crazy over there. Yeah. Let's go now. Go around. Is it right there? Oh yeah. Look at all this smoke from this little baby V6. sabe. Let's see if anyone stole the jack, fool. That's a little hut right there for it.
A la casita. Oh, it's good.
This was hot. Enculado right now, bro. No mames.
Do I still got tire?
I think you do.
Oh,
No mames. Yeah, you still got like 40K more miles.
I'm about to pop them. Oh, they were about to blow.
Oh yeah, these still got like 40K miles. Hey yo, still got like 40K miles.
Man, I know what I got.
Man, shut up, bro. About to get stay rest again. Oh.
I would just put that on my name.
For that food. This is all heartbroken. He's not trying to remember the stay rest days. But little does he know I did too. Like what? No new Joyce kids. It turned out like him. Fool got a sick ass misfire. He gotta take one for the depression right now. This fool's going through it. No manches. No hagan eso, niños. That's bad for you.
It's hot.
Oh,
It's hot.
she's just hot. She's smoking. We're talking about let's open the new jack or use the old jack. Gotta push that one to rest, perro. Get on. Shit don't even go up. Like your pee-pee. Yeah, fool. Got wires showing. Oh, manches. Pero quería troca el niño.
I didn't want to fuck up again.
Oh yeah, for real, bro. Brand new fucking rims. This was like really close to blowing them up. It doesn't look like it, huh?
Give you a minute 30.
Yeah.
It would be 45.
Nah, you were full, but like from the recording, you were there for like 5 minutes straight. No manches.
That shows it only.
You were about to blow it up. It's always nice to see your kids open new toys.
Should have worked. I bought this shit. This is my own toy. This is my own birthday present to myself.
He said nobody buys me nothing. Nah, you know what I got for a birthday present, perro? I got sleep, homie. Mish. Man, that's what I eat every night, fool. Struggle meal, perro. Long ass greñas, homie. Look at the reveal. I know y'all see that pain. How do you feel, fool? This pee is all hard right now, perro.
Look at that shit. Better pick the shit.
Come on, bro. It'll buff out.
Yeah. You got that right?
I got you. A little. Mi hijo es negro? Yeah, vato. This one actually has a whole ass pole. Not like this little thingy right here, fool. Look at that.
Half the shaft.
Fucking you versus a guy she tells you not to worry about. No manches. I haven't seen this fool with the new jack since I met him, bro. I'm like fucking 50 years with this. Look at it.
Hey, surprisingly, the jack's only like a year or two old.
How, for real?
Yeah. I bought it to, like, same shit here. So come here.
No, no va a aguantar esa madre, güey. Look at this. I'm about to do a whole cinematic. Oh shit, homie. Sheesh. Oh shit, homie. Oh fucking. Just stay right there, perro. Look at this. This fool said this thing was on sale, fool. I fool had to do it to him. No manches. They're getting down for a little jack.
Money in the bag. Hey, what you gotta do?
No, pues ya se fueron todos. Everybody did. And we're still chilling right here. Look at this. like the only ones here, fool. Oh. Don't sound right, fool.
It's not pumping up though. It's misfire.
Damn, that's yeah, it is a sick ass misfire. Got confused. It's cam, fool, no pasa nada. It's not even saying random misfire, nothing. That makes 2 of us. All the shit you was talking, fool. Oh, mames. No pasa nada, cut. Look, bro, there ain't nobody here. Except that fool right there. And us. The hurra's about to come, fool. About to kick you out. They're like, this is a weak ass fool. I don't know about this. Trujillo's performance. That fool just gave it a little kiss, and the misfire fucking went away.
I found it.
What do you mean?
Cylinder 3.
Cylinder 3? Man, it only has 6 cylinders. Oh, Simon, they just skip you? They're not even gonna ask you if you need anything? Like that? Es negro, mijo.
Oh fuck.
This is where one of the tires could have came in handy. Oh, the homie on that gun. Sick ass. This fool always got you and Marvin. Always got extra spark plugs and wires.
Put him on.
Sick ass fools. And that misfire's gone just like that. Trujillo's